What's good, my good looking people? Right, so I've been missing Barcelona lately, so I thought I'd make this cheeky little Spanish paella for you. Alright, so today's ingredients. So we got some Spanish paella rice, peas, spring onion, garlic, red hot chili peppers, lemon, Catalan chorizo, king prawns, some marinated chicken, a big ass pan, paprika, rosemary, oregano, some saffron, all-purpose seasoning, some dry sherry and red wine, and lastly a seafood mix. Let's get it! Start off by chefing up a onion, then some garlic, a spring onion, some red hot chili peppers, man, a tomato. Chef up some sausage. Preheat the cooker and splash and dash some olive oil in. Add in your prawns until they get nice and golden brown like this. Add the chorizo. Chuck in a cheeky chicken stock pot. Not gonna lie, that was kind of hard to say still. Let the chorizo get nice and crispy like this before turning it down. Add some olive oil and onions into the big thing. Then add some garlic and spring onion into the mix. Season with some S&P. Chuck in the marinated chicken. Give that little flipperoonie to cook it on both sides. Always wash your rice. Chuck in your seafood mix. Now let's add in some spice and herb. Start off with some saffron, paprika, some oregano, rosemary, all pure seasoning, and give that all a little mixy. Then add in your paella rice. And then to help it soften, you can add in your chicken stock pot. And it's gonna look like this, but you wanna let it simmer for a bit. And then you wanna add in your sherry, just for a little bit of flavor. Then we wanna add in some peas, our red hot chili peppers, and our tomatoes. Then we can add in our sexy little prawns. This takes a while to cook, so you might as well just finish up a bottle of sherry. Why not? Add some water in to soften the rice as well. Just add a bit of garnish, and there you have it. Pia Mias Paella. Arriba! If you didn't catch it the first time, all cooking ingredients and instructions will be listed below. Now let's plate this bad boy up and get it. Shout out to all my Spanish people out there. I hope I've done you guys proud. Ha sido un placer. Anyway guys, adios.